The human digestive system is a complex series of organs and glands that processes food. It involves both mechanical and chemical processes to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. The major components of the digestive system include the alimentary canal and the associated digestive glands. The alimentary canal is a continuous hollow tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. It includes several key parts. First, the mouth, the entry point of food, where mechanical digestion begins through chewing, also known as mastication, and chemical digestion starts with saliva. Saliva contains the enzyme amylase, which begins the breakdown of carbohydrates. Next, the pharynx or throat connects the mouth to the esophagus, which then transports food to the stomach via peristaltic movements. Moving on to the stomach, a muscular sac that mixes food with gastric juices. The stomach secretes hydrochloric acid and pepsinogen, which converts into pepsin to digest proteins. The acidic environment also kills bacteria and provides the right conditions for enzyme activity. Then, the small intestine, comprising three parts, the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum, is where most digestion and absorption occur. Digestive juices from the pancreas and bile from the liver aid in this process. Villi and microvilli increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. Finally, the large intestine, which includes the cecum, colon, rectum, and anus. The large intestine absorbs water and salts from the material that has not been digested as food and is responsible for the formation and expulsion of feces. Now, let's look at the digestive glands. The salivary glands produce saliva, which contains enzymes like amylase that initiate the digestion of starch. The liver, the largest internal organ, produces bile which emulsifies fats, aiding in their digestion and absorption. The liver also processes nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice containing enzymes like trypsin, amylase, and lipase, which further digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fats respectively. It also secretes insulin and glucagon, hormones that regulate blood sugar levels. Lastly, the gallbladder stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver, releasing it into the small intestine when needed. Let's delve into the stages of the digestion process. First, this is simply taking in food through the mouth. Next this involves both mechanical digestion, which is the physical breakdown of food through chewing, and chemical digestion, where enzymes break down complex molecules into simpler ones. Moving on, this is where nutrients from the digested food pass through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. Then comes, during this phase, cells utilize the absorbed nutrients for energy, growth, and repair. And finally, this is the removal of indigestible substances and waste products through the anus as feces. Why is the digestive system so crucial, you might ask? Well, it is essential for breaking down food into nutrients, which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. Without this complex system, the body would not be able to absorb the nutrients necessary for health and survival. Now, let's touch on some common digestive disorders. Occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing heartburn. Involves inflammation of the stomach lining, affects the large intestine, causing symptoms like cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and sometimes diarrhea or constipation. Additionally, issues relate to problems with stool consistency and bowel movement frequency. Understanding the digestive system is crucial for maintaining digestive health and overall well-being. Remember, regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fiber, adequate hydration, and mindful eating habits all contribute significantly to the proper functioning of the digestive system.